I did this colorful soft glam, I guess you could call it. It's like a soft colorful look. Yeah, I really was winging it today. I didn't know what direction I wanted to go in, but I'm pretty much happy with how it turned out. Everything looks good on and off camera. Yeah, if I didn't say it already, welcome back to my channel. Chilee1990, for those of you who don't know. Follow me on social media, Chilee1990 on Snapchat and Twitter, Chilee1990 Makeup on Instagram. And if you guys want to see how I completed this look, then stay tuned. This Essence blender brush, can y'all see that? This Essence blender brush, it's just a fluffy brush. It's kind of stained, but I washed it yesterday. I'm gonna take this ColourPop Bird of Paradise palette. It has all these pretty colors in it. I'm gonna take Hatched, this color down here at the bottom. Check that on this blender brush. And that's gonna be our transition shade. I'm gonna use pecking order. And just put that right on the lid with my finger. Okay, then I'm gonna take So Fly, which is this color up here, and pick a little bit up with my finger and put it right in the middle. Wipe off my fingers with these Crayon Case makeup wipes, which, believe the hype, they are that good. One of the best, if not the best, makeup wipe that I've tried thus far. I picked those up during her Cyber Monday sale, and I'm glad I bought them. I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black, and we're not doing a wing today. We're just gonna do a straight line. So then I'm gonna take this Anastasia by Kiss Super Stronghold Eyelash Adhesive, and we're using these EBS Fashion Fold Double eyelashes in number 10. These are my favorite ones so far. I'm gonna go back and get some more of these real soon, because these were 2 for $5 at my beauty supply store. They giving me AliExpress vibes, but I'm completely okay with that. Take this Essence Get Big Lashes mascara. This is a volume curl mascara. And we're gonna take a break from the eyes. I'm gonna take that same makeup wipe I used earlier on my fingers. Clean up any fallout I may have had from doing the top part of my eye. We're gonna go into skin. I'm gonna take this Pond's Dry Skin Cream. Then I'm gonna take this NYX Bear With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer. Ooh. You don't have to go heavy with this because you already put that Pond's Dry Skin Cream on. But I just like using 2 moisturizers. You can use whatever you see fit. You can use one or the other. You can use a whole nother moisturizer if you want. It's totally up to you. Don't forget your neck. Then I'm gonna take this E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer. Okay, then I'm gonna let that settle just a little bit. Take this Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, and this is in 338 Spicy Brown. Take this beauty sponge. This is just a beauty sponge I got from Shop Miss A. This was $1.55. It was one of my favorite sponges to use, and use that to blend it out. I'll take this LA Girl Pro Conceal and Fawn and use that to conceal. And then I'm gonna take the same beauty sponge and blend it out. Anastasia Beverly Hills Foundation Stick and Espresso. Okay, so those are all the normal places I contour. And I'm gonna take the same beauty sponge and blend that up. Like my MAC Mineralize Skin Foundation, and this is in the shade Medium Dark. Take this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and this is in Medium Deep. Press it into the skin where you want to conceal. I tried it yesterday, I'm not gonna lie, but I want to give it another chance. So I'm gonna take this Crayon Case Contoursion notebook, and I'm gonna go into Breaky, and then if we need Bobby, we'll holla at him. And I'm gonna pick that up. You guys already know. If you don't know, this is my AOA Studio F14 brush. It's the only brush I like to use to conceal, to set my contour. And to be just a little bit darker, so I'm gonna dab it into Bobby. I'm gonna take this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean. I'm gonna take my Emori Naïve Diamond Glitter Eyeliners, and this is in the color 1 and 4. And I'm gonna put the number 4 down first. Just put that on your lower lash line. Smudge brush from Morphe. This is a Morphe M408 brush. Then I'm gonna take that number 1 and put it right on top of the number 4. Okay, so then I'm gonna go back into that Bird of Paradise palette from ColourPop, and we're gonna pick up Beekaboo, which is this shimmery champagne color up here. This is gonna be our inner corner highlight. I'm just taking the smallest brush I have. This is the E.L.F. concealer brush. But any tiny brush, any brush you use on your inner corner is fine. The inner corner to pop just a little bit more. I like it, but I want to love it. So I'm gonna take this NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. Any setting spray, you can use water even if you want. And I'm gonna pick up a little bit of the Beekaboo. I don't think I picked up enough. I'm gonna pick up some more. And spray a little bit of setting spray on the brush. So then I'm gonna take this Ulta Beauty Ultimate Lashes mascara and put 2 coats on my bottom lashes. Be using the Queen palette from the Juvia's Place and Fumi collab, and gonna pick that up with my Ulta Beauty cheek brush. Is it? I'm gonna pick that up with my Ulta Beauty cheek brush. I'm going into Olay, which is this color right here. Tap off all of the excess. This brush is still a little wet from yesterday.
Unacceptable!
I gotta go into my festival palette from Juvia's place, and I'm gonna, ooh, almost dropped it. I'm gonna take a dog glue, which is this gold color down here, and I'm picking that up with my E.L.F highlighting brush. We're gonna highlight. I'm gonna take my Ruby Kisses Auto Lip Liner in dark brown. I'm gonna take this E.L.F Lip Plumping Gloss, and this is in Pink Cosmo. Then I'm just gonna take some Broadway Clear Lip Gloss. This is Mint Oil. It's their Vital Lip Mint Oil. Take the same NYX Dewy setting, Dewy Finish setting spray, and spray that all over my face. I'm gonna take this Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, green tea, and cucumber. I just love how that smells. Now I'm gonna take a beauty sponge and press that in everywhere except my lips, my eyes, and my eyebrows. Look, you guys, don't mind my hair because I don't even know how I got it in a bun that's gonna stay this long. I mean, I'm pretty much happy with how everything turned out other than my hair. I just feel like, what are you doing? But yeah, I wanted you guys to be able to see my earrings, so you couldn't really see them with the plaits in the way, so I just pulled everything up into a little bun. Other than that, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell to be notified every time I post videos. Follow me on social media, Chilee1990 on Snapchat and Twitter, Chilee1990 Makeup on Facebook and Instagram. And as always, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.